northeastern London County until 4:15.
Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern London County and southern Norwich.
Moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source,
Gosh.
Near Ledyard Center or near Norwich. Moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
3:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Windham County, northeastern London County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashford, or 8 miles north of Mansfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Huh.
Impact. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles. Woodstock, Wellington, Ashford, Pomfret.
That's my location, Ashford.
Northwestern Windham County, northeastern Collin County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashford, or 8 miles north of Mansfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Listen.
Hazard, and quarter-size hail. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations infected include Mansfield, Woodstock, Wellington, Ashford, Pomfret, Chaplin,
That's our location.
Ashford, and Union. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And outside I saw penny-sized hail, I think.
In Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, northeastern Nassau County in southeastern New York until 7 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodbury or over Sauset, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cold Spring Harbor around 6:10 p.m. Farmingdale around 6:15 p.m. Huntington and Melville around 6:30 p.m. Huntington Station around 6:35 p.m. Centerport around 6:50 p.m. Northport and Comac around 7 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. For the following marine...
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in West Central Windham County in northern Connecticut, Central Collin County in northern Connecticut until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Norton has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in West Central Windham
Storms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mansfield, Windham, Tolland, Coventry, Wellington, and Ashford.
Coventry, Wellington, and Ashford. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately.
Oh, come on, not this already. At this time of night, are you f***ing kidding me?
The National Weather Service in
central Fairfield County until 11:15 p.m.
South Central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut until 11:15 p.m.
Oh, hold on. I know where.
The Warren area.
42 p.m.
Up
Eastern
to 2
Daylight
inches
Time.
of rain
That's when radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain
Oh.
across the Warren
expected to
area.
begin shortly.
Up to 2 inches of rain have
Flash
already
flooding
fallen.
caused by thunderstorms.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include
Wilton, Weston, and Bridgeport.
Westport, Darien, Wilton, Weston, and Bridgeport, Stamford.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut.
Highways,
Just got in here.
as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bridgeport, New Haven, Milford, Wallingford, Shelton, Fairfield, Camden, Stratford, Trumbull, Brantford, North Haven, Monroe, Seymour, North Branford, and Orange. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area.
In Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven.
72 degrees in Hartford.
What is this for? At this moment. How many times do I have to go through this?
The National Weather Service in upstate New York issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York,
Thunderstorm was located over Carmel, or over Bridgeport, moving east at 20 miles.
Daylight Time.
Wow.